Question 3, select the correct answer. What is the solution set of this inequality? So first off, real quickly, this is starting from slide 12 of the tutorial. So I encourage you to go back to that slide if you're struggling with these. Let's go ahead and solve it. Our goal is to solve this inequality really just like we would solve an equation. So we want to get our x terms on the same side of the inequality sign. There's a number of ways to do this, but I see a negative 8x. So I'm going to go ahead and add 8x to negative 8x to cancel out those terms. If I see a negative, I like to get rid of the negative if I can to start. Now add 8x to 3x, and that gives us 11x. We still have the plus 14. Our inequality sign is still pointing that direction, and we've got negative 1. So at this point, we've got a negative 1, so you think, oh, let's add 1 to both sides, but we want to move our constant terms to the other side of that inequality symbol. So I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides so that those cancel. Negative 1 minus 14 is negative 15. Negative 15 is greater than 11x. Depending on the way that you solved this problem, it's a possibility that you solved it a completely different way and you'll get the same answer. But be careful. Our last step is divide both sides by 11. If you solve this a different way, it's possible your last step you're dividing by a negative number. When you multiply and divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, you have to reverse the symbol and point it the other direction. In this case, we're not doing that. We're dividing by a positive 11, so the 11s cancel. Negative 15 divided by 11. Typically, you'll see this is true for all these answer choices. They're always going to write the x term first. So if we write the x term first, let's just make sure the inequality symbol is still facing the fraction. So our answer is, our solution set is x is less than negative 15 over 11.